I decided to share something because I honestly think I'm crazy. And I know that those of you who are coming to my event virtually or actually physically, I just want you to know what you're getting into. You know when you do something and you just know that you should do it, but you also know that you shouldn't do it? That's kind of what I've done. So you guys know I'm showing right now for the first time what I'm going to be teaching at my event. Now, a lot of you have been emailing me and saying, I didn't get the kits. I'm taking your class virtually, or I'm taking the event virtually. Don't worry, everything that I show you is so brand new, I don't even have it. Like I had one-ups. And so this is something that you can redo. So this is my new 8x10 albums, you guys. I'm so excited, so excited. And you guys, look at this project. It is a 3-hour workshop. It is a 3-hour workshop that, so I just felt I should show, because some people may go, okay, well, wait a minute, it's a photo album. So I took out this to show you. So yes, it is a photo album with really high-end premium. So you could just put photos in your album, you guys. You could just put photos. But for me, I wanted to show that, well, first, put photos, print your photos. It's so important. But you can take it, and this same album, you guys, you can then add to it. And so I just wanted to kind of show you, you know, what, I mean, it's a little crazy. It's all very, because I wanted to add more photos. And so I made mine, you know, look, this is the clear. You guys are going crazy buying the clear. You guys, this is my new clear paper because it's so thick and yummy. You can add it to your pages. And you probably all recognize all these products. And so everything I used on here, every single product I used, I just made sure that it was my product so that people who were taking it virtually, who were just, you know, could take this. This could be an all-day workshop, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. I love, they've got little lift up. So this is, and I even showed how you can just add pages. But the album actually comes with 10 page protectors. And you guys, look at this, but look at this, like trifolds, triple folds, tabs, so much. It's very, very interactive. And so what was I thinking? 3 hours. You guys, I don't even know how many photos are in this. Look at this cute. This came with my photos. Print your photos, you guys. And even if you're taking it virtually, like you can see, I've made a pocket here. This is my new, there's a little mini pocket here. There's my lion buttons. This page is, bring a picture of yourself, you guys. This page right here is called Yes You Can. All of the, look at this one, you guys. This one, this page here lifts up, flips out, comes up. I mean, it's just very, if you've taken a class from me, you know, I go a little crazy. Look at this, you guys, a triple fold. So this is the kind of projects I teach. And a lot of people say, oh, you get everything. If you purchase the kit or come in, you get everything you see. You don't have to buy anything extra. You get everything. But you guys, look at this. This is just, and these were just all my favorite pictures. And lift up, slip out. And I'm going to teach you my waterfall method. Anyway, so let's just say this is BU. There's pockets, there's flip ups. And so I wanted to show this because a lot of people, I've already been getting so many DMs like, when are they going to be in it? I will have an album for every one of my families, every one of my grandkids. These 8x10 will be, when people get married, you're getting a photo album from me. But I want people to know, and I think one of the things that I really wanted to do with these memory albums were I felt like people aren't printing their photos out, you guys. And I feel like for me, like this is just one of the pages to show you, like, you don't have to do what I just did. And so I didn't want anybody to come. And I always tell people, like, this is your favorite photos. This is your book. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do that. You can if you want, or you could sit there and you could put all of your favorite photos in there. You could, you know, and I hope that you do. Like, I guarantee you, I'm going to have books after books that look just like this. This is my cute little Canon. He just turned 3, and we had a photo shoot. And it was so cute, you guys. I highly suggest this. Taylor and I did a photo shoot with me, with each of her kids, probably about 2 weeks ago. I think you may have seen it. And I thought, how amazing is that these kids will have photos of me with them to always remember. And so get behind the camera, you know, or get in front of the camera, not behind the camera. You're already behind the camera. And make sure you're printing out those photos. It's really, really important. So you guys, I just want to show you this because I really, I love it. And I want you, you know, and most of you obviously are not going to be coming to the event. We've got 3 people to the table. We'll wear a mask. The event is not even half the size that it normally is, so it's very small. And I just wanted to encourage you, like, even though you won't be at the event, you can always attend virtually if you want. Sign up for virtually and you get the class and everything. This class alone is like an all-day class, but it's one of the 7 that you get to take. But I will say, I wanted, to me, a project should have intention, and that's important to me. Like, the intention is that your life matters, that the people in your life matters, and to make sure you're putting those in your albums. For years, I used to have people saying, oh, do you use stock photography? I'm like, nope, these are all my kids. These are all my grandkids. To me, if you've noticed, so a couple of things I've been doing, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've got my Facebook page open right here. That is my grandson, Beckett, and he is wearing the Teresa Collins shirt. I did a kid line about a year ago, and they all sold out. But he's wearing his grandma's shirt that says strong. And I usually change out this header almost every day now because I just really want to, you know, the message. I mean, the way I look at it is, if you are following somebody on social media, I really feel, hopefully a little bit early Motivation Monday is, you should feel something by going to their page. Does it uplift you? Does it inspire you? Does it make you, you know, does it add value to your life? Love you guys. Bye guys.